Umiyak, gumalaw, tayo na sumayaw. Umiyak, gumalaw, tayo na sumayaw. Umiyak, gumalaw, tayo na sumayaw. Umiyak, gumalaw.
Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw lang, ikinamit na nila. Upang magdiriwang tayo ay pinag-isa. Lalangin upang kalikasan ng pinamulaan. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw lang, ikinamit na nila. Upang magdiriwang tayo ay pinag-isa. Lalangin upang kalikasan ng pinamulaan.
Welcome to the World Travel Expo Year 10. You know, 10 years ago, we started with one goal, to make travel feel possible. Today, we are bringing together the best destinations, the travel brands, and experiences all in one place. Planning trips should be exciting, not overwhelming. Whether you are looking for a weekend getaway, or a trip around the world, this is where your next adventure takes part. Let's explore without limits. Let's not give up. Laban lang, Pilipinas. Extraordinary journeys, exceptional memories. This is the theme of the World Travel Expo Year 10. And it is my pleasure to introduce to you my boss. Let us welcome the lady behind the World Travel Expo, Managing Director of Ad Asia Events Group OPC, ang babaeng hindi titigil at hindi uurong sa laban, Miss Mildred Caballero.
Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Before anything else, allow me to acknowledge our valued guests, partners and sponsors, exhibitors and members of the media, and everyone joining us today here at Ayala Malls Abrisa. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Department of Tourism Regional Head, Honorable Tanya Rabatan, Honorable Mirna Dalado Ortiz, our City Councilor, Mr. Willenito Tormis Jr., the City Tourism Operations Office Head, Davao, Ms. Liza Gamo, Director of Sales and Marketing of Park in Radisson, and she's also the President of Davao Hotel and Restaurant Sales and Marketing Association. Thank you, Ms. Liza. Ms. Mira T, Director for Sales and Marketing of Grand Regal Hotel. Mr. Joey Layog, Area Manager of Power Max Center, Inc. Ms. Juveline Necesario, Sales Manager of ApoView. Mr. Virgilio Casas, Manager of Hotel Sogo. Ms. Jennifer Romero, Director of Sales and Marketing of Dusitani Hotels. And also Newport World Resorts. To our sponsors and partners, thank you for your trust and support in helping bringing World Travel Expo Year 10 to life. Your partnership helped create opportunities not only for the tourism industry, but also for the travelers, businesses, and communities that continue to grow through tourism. Today is extra meaningful for us because this year marks a milestone, 10 years of World Travel Expo. 10 years of helping people discover destinations, 10 years of connecting travelers and communities, 10 years of creating journeys that eventually became memories. And honestly, looking at everyone here today, it reminds us why we continue doing this. It is always special to be here in Davao, a city known not only for its beauty and progress, but also for its warmth, resilience, and strong sense of community. There is something about Davao that makes people feel welcome and grounded. In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, places like this remind us to slow down and appreciate life a little more. And honestly, many people need that today. This world has become noisy. People carry stress, pressure, uncertainty, and exhaustion every single day. Sometimes we get so busy surviving that we forget to actually live. That is why travel has become more important than ever. Mao siguro importante kaayo ang travel karon. Usahay kinahanglan lang gyud nato og pahulay. Panahon para makaginhawa, makakonek pag-usab sa atong pamilya ug higala ug makapahinumdom sa atoang kaugaliangon nga naapay daghang maayong butang nga pwede nato ma-experience. Travel gives people something to look forward to. It allows us to pause, recharge, reconnect, and experience moments that stay with us long after the trip ends. And this is why the World Travel Expo exists, not just to promote destinations or offer travel deals, but to bring people together and remind them that there is always a world to explore, memories to create, and experience worth living for. For 10 years, the World Travel Expo has become a place where journeys begin. A family finally planning their dream vacation. Friends saying, "Idayon nagyud na to ni." A couple booking their long overdue getaway. A solo traveler finally finding the courage to explore somewhere new. This may look like simple plans today, but they often become stories people carry with them for a lifetime. At the same time, events like this create opportunities. Tourism supports businesses, creates jobs, helps local communities, and allow destinations like Davao to showcase their beauty and hospitality to more people. That is why this expo is meaningful, not only for travelers, but for everyone connected to tourism and the communities that grow because of it. As we celebrate 10 years of World Travel Expo here at Ayala Malls, Abrisa, may this event inspire all of us to continue exploring, connecting, and creating memories that matters. Take your time, explore the hall, discover new places, talk to people, ask questions, enjoy the moment. Because sometimes the best thing we can give ourselves is something to look forward to. Daghang salamat, Davao. Welcome to World Travel Expo Year 10 here at Ayala Malls, Abrisa.
Madayaw ug maayong adlaw sa tanan. The City Government of Davao extends its warmest greetings to the AdAsia Events Group, OPC, Department of Tourism, valued partners, key stakeholders, distinguished guests, and all attendees of the opening ceremony of the World Travel Expo 2026, anchored on the theme, Extraordinary Journeys, Exceptional memories. Tourism development remains to be one of the key priorities of the city government, hinged on its 12-point agenda. As such, we remain resolute in our commitment to advance the economic engine of the tourism and hospitality industry at both local and international levels. Especially, we envision Davao City to be a premier destination for trade and investment, jobs creation, and cultural and foreign exchanges. We commend AdAsia Events Group, OPC, and your key partners for guiding Filipinos and global travelers to connect with key destinations, promoting sales and brand awareness, and fostering sustainable tourism growth nationwide. It is our hope that this event may be a pivotal platform for everyone to participate and embrace the spirit of travel, encouraging the exploration of new destinations and exciting experiences, and to make each trip a grander and more exceptional travel experience for all. Together, let us work together to make Philippine tourism more globally competitive, future-ready, and economically resilient in the years to come. Daghang salamat. This is the message of our Honorable City Mayor, Mayor Sebastian Duterte.
It is my honor to be here this afternoon on the 10th World Travel Expo and the fourth one here in Davao. And of course here at the Ayala Malls, Abriza. So for a full decade, this expo has been a vital platform. It connects industry leaders and accelerates regional tourism growth. But one thing also why this is also important is because we need trusted travel partners. So we look forward, of course, to vacations, our vacations. Sabi nga kanina, this is sometimes we need to relax and unwind. And this event reminds us of something na very, very critical nowadays, because booking face-to-face with accredited travel partners ensures your dream vacation stays safe, secure, and safe and secure, So, especially now that we need to be sure of the travel partners that we book with. So that's why we urge everyone to support our exhibitors and our tourism stakeholders, and let us celebrate a decade of extraordinary journeys and exceptional memories. And we went around earlier, and we met some of the exhibitors who are actually not from, for those who are not from Davao. So for you, we also encourage you maybe after the expo to go around and explore our region. Davao is far more than just a convenient location. As you may know, we are connected internationally, and we're also connected to 12 domestic routes. We are also a place of profound beauty, deep cultural richness, and incredibly diverse experiences. The city serves as the primary service center and tourism hub for the entire region, and it is the central gateway leading to unforgettable island adventures across our 5 beautiful provinces. So, because of this unique position, you can seamlessly enjoy both vibrant metropolitan atmosphere here in the city center and a serene countryside escape. So we truly have something always for everyone, whether you are a diving enthusiast, a beach lover, or a hiker, and of course for the farm aficionados, We invite you to visit Davao's local farms and plantations. And of course, do not leave without trying our world-class chocolates and coffee heritage and our fruits, including durian, pomelo, and mangosteen. And all of these wonders are complemented, of course, by our world-class hotels and resorts, and they stand ready to provide cozy accommodations. So, we ensure, of course, comfort while you immerse yourselves in our unique local culture. Thank you very much, Ms. Mildred Caballero, or Ms. M, the Managing Director of AdAsia Events Group. Thank you so much for bringing this World Travel Expo here in Davao. And congratulations ahead of course, to your success year after year. And let us explore, connect, and continue to uplift regional and domestic tourism. Thank you very much and enjoy the Expo.
Today now marks another milestone for the World Travel Expo, now in its 10th year, and we're very happy to host it once again here in Davao City. And I hope this will not be the last of many travel expos. So Davao City was recently named as the best or #1 top 1 spot in the Philippines for the World Travel Index's best travel experience. And we take pride of this because of our stakeholders and because of all the Davaoenos really helping in securing this spot and also securing Davao City as a premier destination for our travelers. And we will not stop there. So we keep on creating new circuits. We keep on creating new tours. We are also empowering our communities through community-based tourism, and also we'll be launching more activities, especially in the upcoming Duao Davao this June, our second quarter festival. And Duao Davao this year is much more bigger because we are focusing not just in tourism but also sports, recreation, and more promos for the Davaoenos and for travelers. So I hope that this event is just a start of a bigger and better travel industry here, not just in Davao City, but in the whole Mindanao. And Davao City is ready. Davao City is equipped. And Davao City will keep on pushing because Davao, now we are not just life, it's here in Davao City. Davao City is considered home of different tribes, different people, and different cultures. And in Davao, it's considered our city and our home. So once again, congratulations to the World Travel Expo. And I hope that this will just be the beginning of a brighter future for the travel and the hospitality industry. Maayong hapon ug daghang salamat sa atong tanan.
Mabuhay og madayaws. So on behalf of the Davao HRSMA, I extend my support and heartfelt congratulations to the organizers of the Davao World Travel Expo 2026. Looking back to when the World Travel Expo first came to Davao 4 years ago, we have continuously worked together in one common goal, which is bringing more visitors, opportunities, and economic activity into the city of Davao. As president of the Davao Hotels and Resorts Sales and Marketing Association, I commend this meaningful initiative for bringing together leaders and stakeholders in tourism, hospitality, travel, and related industries to promote collaboration, innovation, and sustainable growth. Events like this played a very vital role in strengthening Davao's position as a premier destination and gateway to the rich culture and natural treasures of Mindanao. The Davao World Travel Expo 2026 provides an exciting opportunity for our member hotels and resorts to showcase their exceptional hospitality. Unique room offerings, so later on, daghan kaayo og mga promotions, and exclusive promotions prepared specifically for this event. Our exhibitors have curated very enticing packages and special deals that truly reflect the warm, quality, and world-class service
that Davao is known for. We encourage everyone to visit their booths, explore these wonderful offers, and experience the best of Davao hospitality. May this event continue to inspire stronger partnerships and create more opportunities, business, and tourism professionals alike. We wish the organizers, exhibitors, and participants to a very successful and productive Expo 2026. Mabuhay and thank you so much.
march, time march.
Banana cha-cha, banana cha-cha, move it la 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 la, cha-cha, cha-cha. Banana cha-cha, banana cha-cha, move it la 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 la. All together we move it all. Mommy give me a banana, yeah, yummy yummy. Daddy give me a banana, yeah, love it, Daddy goes cha-cha. Oh, long, long train goes cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Hey, banana power, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Hey, Grandma move it, Grandpa move it, move it together. Banana cha-cha, banana cha-cha, move it la 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 la, cha-cha, cha-cha. Banana cha-cha, banana cha-cha, move it la 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 la. Yummy, yellow, yellow, banana now, yeah, shiny yellow. Eddie goes cha-cha, hello, hello, banana now, yeah, shiny hello. Pinky smiling cha-cha, help yourself. Oh, long, long train goes cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Hey, banana power, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Hey, Grandma move it, Grandpa move it, move it together. Everybody, let's go! Cha-cha, banana cha-cha, move it la 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 la, cha-cha, cha-cha. Banana cha-cha, banana cha-cha, move it la 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 la. Mommy, I love you. Daddy, I love Daddy, I love you. We all love, 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 love you. Banana cha-cha, move it la 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 la.
Once again, thank you to the Mindanao Kids Fashion Star Group. Children, thank you.